Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the online English classes. Before we proceed to the rest poem, we recall it. Students, in previous class, we can started the poem Rain on the Roof. This poem is written by Coates Kinney. In this poem, I told you that the poet here expresses his love for nature and praises the healing power of rain. Especially the poet heard from a cozy bed in a lovely cottage. I said that the poet is thrilled when he observes the starry sphere being overcast with rain-bearing clouds. Here he does not like the darkness that spread all around. The darkness is something like the sad moment, or to say sad spirit. Soon it starts raining to compensate it with the spirit of peace for the lonely night at hand. After then, I said that the poet lie in his cottage chamber bed with his head pressed against a soft pillow and listened to the sound of rain drops falling on the roof. Now here thousands of imagination in the poet's busy mind whenever he hears raindrop falling on the rooftop. Its sound repeat in his heart, and its dream he has many different and fantastic imagination. Now we start the rest poem. We start the second stanza. And 1,000 recollection weave their ear threads into woof, and I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. First we see the word meanings. What's the meaning of woof? Woof means weft thread woven across the loom. What's the meaning of patter? Sound of raindrops falling on the roof. Recollection means memory of the past. Weave fabric or fabric item by interlacing long thread passing in one direction with other at the right direction to them. Now we start explanation. And 1,000 recollection. In this line, poet recollect 1,000 dreamy fancies are created in the heart, and he recollect many memories of the past which come back to his mind as dreams. Poet says that when it rains, thousands of memories comes to the poet's mind. Weave their ear thread into woof. It's clear that their ear threads refer to 1,000 recollection. In the prior line, so the poet is comparing memories to thread. Thread is a pretty common thought or memory. Weaving involves lining up and strong structural thread and weaving into them softer thread that provide pattern, color and texture. Here poet rapidly emphasizes that his memories are being shaped around the sound of the rain of the roof. Now here poet says that when the thousands of memory comes back, then they weaved with the help of air thread. That thousands of imaginary thoughts and fantasies has as well as numerous memory under the mind of the poet. As I listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So now poet says that he listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof. He has many new dreams in his mind and memories of the past come back in the form of dream. In the second stanza here, every drop of water on the rooftop has an echo in heart of poet, and it start thousands dream in heart. Thousand recollection in previous memories is coming in mind of poet. The memories are weaving like air thread in poet's mind when he listened to the sound of rain. Also, the falling drop of rain on the rooftop create many new different dream in his mind. For instance, he recollect many memories of the past which come back to his mind as dream. Hence, he listened to the patter of the rain upon the roof. He has many new dreams in his mind, and his memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. Now you see the third stanza. In a memory comes my mother as she used in year agone. To regards the darling dreamers, era she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the singles by the patter of the rain. Now, first you see the word meanings. In memories comes means, what the meaning of in memory comes? I remember. That the meaning is I remember. Agone. Agone means gone by, or to say past. Darling dreamers, those children who dream of their mother, like poet. Era, what's the meaning of era? Old poetic word for before. What's the meaning of fond? Fond means dear. Regards, that means observe. Refrain, a repeated part of a joy or a poem. Hear the sound of the rain, or to say music. List, old poetic word for listen. Now we start the explanation. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years agone. In this stanza, here poet introduced his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother, as he had told in the previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive in the past. She used to love him a lot. To regards the darling dreamer, era she left them till the dawn. Poet's mother loved him a lot. She used to consider him a darling, and she would let him sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet has memories of his beloved mother. When he was a child, she would put him and his sibling to bed and allowed them to sleep till late. They had sweet dream in their sleep. Darling dreamer refers to the poet and his sibling when they were children and had sweet dreams. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to the refrain. In this line, poet can still feels that his mother is looking at him. As I listen to the song made by the raindrops on the roof of his room, the sound of the rain make him correlate his past with his present. The narrator is saying that he feels that look mother in which there is love and care for the narrator or poet, which is played upon the singles by the patter of the rain. The poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past as he reminded of his mother. In this stanza, mother comes in memory of poet's mind. He remembers so many years ago in his childhood, his mother used to look down at him and his sibling as they were sleeping and having pleasant dreams. His mother would make a point to look at them every night, for she knew that she would not see them again till the next morning. What the poet remembers more than anything is how his mother would bend down and watch over him in particular. These memories are evoked as he listened to the repetitive rhythm of the raindrop as they were falling on his drops. Among these memories, there is one about his mother. He recollects how she used to look at her dear children as she put them to sleep and wished them to make sweet dream till they meet again early in the morning. As the poet listened to the music made by the rain falling on the roof, he visualized in his mind the affectionate look of his mother. Thus, the rain makes a breeze between the present and his past. Actually, poet loved his mother. Here, poet always dreaming of his mother. They were the memory of his mother, who is no longer alive. Actually, my dear student, his mother loved him a lot and she uses to consider him a darling. And his mother let him sleep until the daybreak and have a sweet dream. And whenever he listened to the song made by the raindrop falling on the rooftop of his room, he feels that his mother is looking at him. Moreover, the sound of rain makes him correlate his poet with his present, that the reason he was no moved by the sound of the raindrop on the shingles. It brings back memories of the past as he reminded of his mother. Then what's the conclusion here? In this poem, whenever the poet hear the pattering sound of his rooftop, he remembers sweet memories of his childhood, especially one that relate to his mother. And what's the message? The poem Rain on the Roof convey the message that rain is Mother Nature's way of showing her healing properties. It leaves everlasting memories in the mind of human with its presence and sound apart from the experience of human. With it rain refresh the human mind by helping and by recollect pleasant memories of the past. My dear students, in this way we complete our poem Rain on the Roof. I hope you all understood this poem. Thank you.